Real estate investing. Real estate investing, made simple. Multifamily commercial real estate. Here's what you will learn in this video. The difference between commercial real estate and residential. Everything on cap rate and NOI. Everything on debt equals simplified. How to determine a good deal. Plus commercial multifamily real estate case study. Commercial real estate versus residential. Commercial real estate is any property over 4 units in terms of multifamily, and residential real estate is any property less than 4 units. Commercial buildings include apartment complexes, industrial spaces, hotels, retail spaces, and office spaces. Residentials include a single-family home, mobile home, and multiplex buildings. Multifamily commercial real estate. Capitalization rate, cap rate. The cap rate is an assessment of the yield of a property over 1 year. Hint: it applies to if you bought the property 100% cash buy. Example: property price $14 million generating $600,000 of NOI would have a cap rate of 4.3%.
Capitalization rate is cap rate equals NOI divided by property price. Net operating income, NOI. NOI is the calculation used to analyze the probability of income-generating real estate investments. NOI equals all revenue from the property, minus all operating expenses. NOI is used to calculate the debt coverage ratio, net income multiplier, cash return on investment, total return on investment, cap rate, and estimated resale value. NOI equals revenue, operating expenses. Debt, leverage. Debt is the leverage used to help scale in real estate at a 4-to-1 ratio. Additionally, providing beneficial financial incentives, non-taxable events, and more. The 2 most common ways to acquire financing from financial institutions, banks, and private lenders, individuals, loan sharks, and investors. You qualify for debt by meeting their requirements depending on the debt provider, DCR/DSCR/TDS, relationship, NOI, terms, and more. Debt coverage ratio, DCR, tells lenders/investors whether a property's income covers its operating expenses and debt payments. A DSCR of 2 is strong, and 1.2 is the minimum standard for many lenders. Total debt service refers to current debt obligations, meaning any interest, principal, sinking fund, and lease payments yearly. Debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, measures the available cash flow to pay current debt obligations. This refers to cash needed to loan principal and interest. DSCR equals NOI divided by total debt service. TDS equals interest times 1 minus tax rate plus principal. How to determine a good deal.
Depends on your strategy. Buy and hold, purpose change / converting a hotel into an apartment or apartment into a condo, etc. NOI is the main deciding indicator for the worth of the property. Increasing the NOI will increase the worth of the property. Either increase the rents and occupancy or add value that generates income. Some factors are location, NOI, occupancy, debt, and demographic.
Here are some useful calculations. NOI equals revenue minus operating expenses. NOI equals asking price times cap rate. Asking price equals NOI divided by cap rate. Cap rate equals NOI divided by asking price.
Here are 2 case studies on investing in commercial multifamily real estate. Case study number 1, the given information. Asking price, $3,265,000. Location, C apartment, 18 units. NOI, $64,087. The breakdown is, asking price, $3,265,000. Down payment, less than $816,250 greater than financed, $2,448,750. Interest, 8%. $195,900. NOI, $64,087. IP, less than $195,900 greater than net loss, minus $131,813. CRP, $3,204,350. The calculations used: cap rate, NOI divided by AP, price based on CRP equals NOI divided by cap rate. Commercial real estate investing multifamily. Case study number 2. Given information: asking price, $4,818,741. Location: B. Apartment, 26 units. Cap rate, 3.16%. The breakdown is: asking price, $4,818,741. Down payment, less than $1,204,685.25 greater than financed $3,614,055.75. Interest, 8%, $289,124.46. NOI, $152,272.22. IP, less than $289,124.46 greater than. Net loss minus $136,852.24. Calculations: NOI, asking price times cap rate. Price, based off cap rate. CRP equals NOI divided by cap rate. In this lesson you learned the difference between commercial and residential real estate, cap rate, NOI, what it is, the importance, calculations, etc. Debt, how to get it, who can provide it, debt ratio rule, etc. How to determine a good deal, and commercial real estate investing case study. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Click the link below to connect with us / stay up to date.